Hello folks, Bronco Bob here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles right here in Mansfield, Texas. I'm here today to show you a really beautiful 2018, this is a Prospector XL. It's a Ram 2500 that's been converted by the professionals at AEV, American Expedition Vehicles. They're masters at putting big tires, keeping the ride height low, redoing the gear ratios, and preserving the ride and the handling and the gear ratios to make the truck really truly drive fantastic. Their proprietary bumpers are nothing like anything else in this world. The fit and finish is excellent. In fact, a lot of these components they won't sell unless you have one of their trucks. Also, their heat reduction hood is a work of art. I love the amp boards. When you open the door, they pop right open. I'm going to go ahead and shut her off. It's only got 14,834 miles. And this is a Laramie truck. So it was born with leather interior. And you got the coarse stitching, perforated seats, leather wrapped steering wheel, just lots of awesome extras. A sunroof. It's got the clear window tint in the front and then the darker bar at the top. And the side windows are tinted to the legal trim here in Texas. Beautiful door panels. Non-smoker, no pets. Basically a one-owner truck. And just never been off-road. You can see back here how clean it is. It's got a sliding rear window. It's got the fold down armrest. You got drink holders there, little plug in. Looks like a 12 volt DC. So you can plug in a little laptop. But it's finished in a brilliant white. It's got 40-inch Toyo countries. It's got the proprietary AEV wheels and the AEV bumper, which in itself is a work of art. It's got a place for your tow hooks. It wraps around. There's a step right here that folds down so you can climb up in the back of the truck. It's got the AEV mud flaps on the back. There's that step folded down. And that's another part of the amp boards. It's powered by a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel engine. It's got a trifecta 20 bed cover. And I want to show you back here is a full spare tire, brand new, with an AEV wheel. The truck is really in perfect condition. And some places like Utah require the mud flaps, and this one has them. You notice the exhaust sticks out a little further, and that comes, when you buy the bumper, they give you the extension for the exhaust. See the clamp? And that allows it to move back to clear the bumper. You can see the rear sway bar, the AEV rear, rear differential cover. It's got the factory spare underneath. So basically it's got two spares. Big fender flares. And over on the passenger side you can see it's just as clean as the driver's side. The leather seats, the carpet, everything is first class. There's your books. And it has the AEV data plate right here on the side. Tells the manufacturer date and the VIN number. And it was done in the Michigan assembly plant. AEV pioneered the Jeep pickup. They got in bed with Jeep and sold their design. I love that amp board, how it folds up. But they're, again, a premier company, and a lot of people try to buy their components from them, and they really don't sell stuff separate. You have to buy one of their trucks. But everything's made to go together and fit perfectly, just like these fender flares. They got the little side marker light. But it's a really good truck. It drives amazing. Usually you put big tires on something and you lift it, you end up with a rough ride and a truck that won't stop and it won't pull overdrive. Well, this one's been re-geared to match the tire size to allow for basically factory gearing. It's really pretty awesome. The winch on the front is it's a worn 16.5 Ti. Excuse me. Guess that would be a 16,000 pound. You can see it's never been spooled out. It's just basically brand new. It's got the AEV bull in the grill, tow mirrors, cab lights. It's a really, really beautiful truck. But if you're wanting something really special, I mean, you can go buy a 2500 and you can put a lift kit on it and you can throw some tires on it, but it just doesn't compare to this truck. Notice the larger radius wheel openings. They actually trim the fenders and put their proprietary fender wells on there, fender flares I should say, and that keeps the ride height low but allows for full travel with 40-inch tires, and it gives it a really good aggressive look. And I do love opening the door, watching those amp boards come down. But if you have any questions, give us a call. I'm Bronco Bob with Texas Best Used Motorcycles. We're located right here in Mansfield, Texas. We can ship this anywhere in the USA or anywhere in the world. Give us a call. Have a great day.